Hi, Big Tractor Power fans. I'm out in a western Kentucky field with a Challenger MT875E tractor. This is the largest track tractor manufactured by the AGCO Corporation. The tractor is built at the Jackson, Minnesota factory. It's rated at 600 engine horsepower, 425 PTO horsepower. It's powered by a 16.8 liter AGCO power engine. It's a 12-cylinder engine that is 1,025 cubic inches. It has a 330-gallon fuel tank. This big machine weighs in at 42,546 pounds. The tractor's retail price tag is $519,460. So it's a big investment in a machine, but it does an industrial-sized job getting the ground ready for corn planting right now with a Blu Jet AT6020 60-foot wide toolbar that is applying anhydrous ammonia, which is a nitrogen fertilizer that will help the corn when it's put in the ground, and it will grow throughout the season from that fertilizer that's being injected in the soil right now. In this video, we're going to watch the big 600 horsepower Challenger working its way back and forth across the field with the Blu Jet. We'll also climb up in the cab so you can see the operator's perspective of running a big tractor like this. We'll also see the tanks switched out from the toolbar, and that is the wagon being pulled behind. It holds the anhydrous ammonia, and we'll see how they do that process. So I hope that you'll enjoy this entire video, seeing and hearing how this big Challenger tractor gets the year started by putting fertilizer on the field.
Is it you want another tank? Would this one tank be enough and start all the rest of them around the other way? Yeah, it'll be fine. Take them around the rest of the way, it'll be fine.
Just one more tank up here. One more tank. Okay, you right down in the middle one.
Well, he's fixing to bring you an empty tank up there. Well, I say that, he can take it to the other end, I guess.
Jose, hold on a minute. Jose, hook up a well. Just because you take his empty tank when he hooks up. Okay, doke.
He jump right in the dog.
Sure. I hope that you've enjoyed spending some time out in the field with this 600 horsepower Challenger MT875E tractor pulling a 60-foot wide Blu Jet AT6020 toolbar applying anhydrous ammonia. As we finish up, you might be wondering what those 4 gauges are on the outside of the cab on the right-hand side by the operator's controls. Those gauges are pressure gauges. They help the operator monitor the pressure of the anhydrous gas in the tanks as it flows through the toolbar. As always, I hope that you've enjoyed watching this big machinery, and if you'd like to see more, I hope that you'll consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there are over 1,000 videos of farm machines in action. If you have any questions or thoughts about the video, please leave them in the comment section below as I try to respond to every post that is made. If you'd like to get a preview of what is coming up next on Big Tractor Power YouTube, make sure to check out Big Tractor Power Instagram, where I share pictures and short video clips of what I'm currently filming. As always, thank you for watching.